Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. On this playlist, we are on a journey of learning JavaScript and conquering it. We will go slowly and on a deep level or understanding each topic, and also actively engaging on the community and in the comment section. And by the way, guys, I also do 366 day live challenge. So currently, I am on a day 120, and if there is any kind of confusion, or if you guys want to engage with me and actively learn, then you can join my live also. Okay, and onto the topic. So on this playlist, we are going to learn JavaScript from beginner level to the advanced level, where we will be building e-commerce, blog application, and the other projects also. That if you want to have any idea or the suggestion, then yeah, comment down below. We will surely make that project. And for today's video, so I'm just making a JavaScript introduction. So what is the JavaScript, why we need to learn JavaScript, and what are the upcoming videos on this channel that you can expect, and I'm eager to learn with you guys. Okay, so let me screen share my screen. Okay, so guys, JavaScript tutorial for beginners. So getting started day one. So guys, importance of learning JavaScript for the web development. So I also want to give one example, or like I guess you have heard this example so many times, but just let me say. Okay, so our body, like the bone we have, are the HTML that gives the structure to the web application, the web apps, right? And the external features like the ears, clothes, are the CSS that gives a kind of a styling, that gives a uniqueness to any uh, person also, and the web application. And the main part is the JavaScript. Okay, so that is kind of like a moment, that is kind of a controlling of your hand to the all those moment, the functionality of your body is the JavaScript. And learning JavaScript is so much kind of a fun. Okay, and there is my own journey also, like how I learned JavaScript, how I am working as a developer. But the JavaScript is a very crucial part in the web development, and nowadays, if you just see, JavaScript is used in so many things, like from the web application also to the app application. If you go with the React Native Expo, you can build application with the JavaScript also. So JavaScript is used everywhere, and if you are planning to learn JavaScript, then that's the very good investment you are doing on your life. So back to this slide. So JavaScript is a crucial programming language for web development, allowing developers to create interactive and dynamic websites. Learning JavaScript opens a world of possibilities, from enhancing user experience to building complex web applications. So JavaScript is a cornerstone of modern web development, powering the interactive features and functionalities of website and web application. Learning JavaScripts like opens so many kind of possibilities in the field of web development, app development. And if you go with the TensorFlow, so there is one model with the JavaScript also. So basically, JavaScript is used each and everywhere. Okay, in the desktop, if you go with the Electron, right? Electron, yes, you can build the desktop applications also. And just a small note, after this playlist, like I'm going to do each day video. Okay, from like today, like for this whole month of this May, I will be giving each video each day, and we will just learn going through it. Okay, so understanding JavaScript allows developer to create dynamic user experience, handling user interactions, and building responsive web applications. And yeah, like JavaScript is versatile, can be used on the both client side and the server side, like the Node.js. So guys, so you may say like, what is the Node.js, right? And like, what do you mean by server side? So basically, the stuff we see on our screen on our daily uses are the client side. So I guess you have like heard about the React, right? React, Angular. So they are the, like the React is the library, but there are the frameworks of the JavaScript which we can use for the client side development, and that are very powerful. And personally, I use React and the Next.js. And the main thing is like what is the server side? Okay, the business code logic that is on the server, like that can be like a very different, and while you using with the database, right? So that is the code logic of any software or any startups. That is like, so for the JavaScript we have the node. So basically if you just learn the JavaScript, right, so you can do the client side also, the server side, so you can become the full stack developer, bro. So that's the very crazy things about the JavaScript is, from just learning JavaScript, and if you have understood JavaScript, and if you know the fundamentals like clean, yeah, you can start building web applications that are just as simple to the very production grade applications also. And JavaScript is constantly evolving with new features and updating, and that's just crazy. And I may have like the, I need to check that fact, but I guess the node version or 21 or like 20 was just released, okay. And from this version we don't need to like npm install a .env, like I think I have just got that, okay. So let me check after this video, but just wanted, so you can go and check that out also, okay. So basic of JavaScript, guys. So JavaScript was created by the Brendan is in 1995. So it's a kind of very old language, not the old, yeah, but kind of old. Okay. So a high level language. So what do you mean by high and the low? Just for a quick note. So low level language like basically are so connected to the machine level, okay, like the hardware, like there is the machine level code that we can't write, okay, that is just understood by the uh, hardware like the computer. And there is the low and the high level. So high level is like so there is so much syntax are like used on a daily basis, like the english stuff, and that is also the simple for the developers to write, okay. So just understand that. And it is essential component of web development alongside html and css. So uh, for the HTML and CSS, I will be creating some crash course. And guys, HTML and CSS, we don't need to give so much time, okay. I have heard, like I have seen so many developers, like the starting ones are starting developer are giving so much time on just learning HTML CSS for months and months. But if you just go and learn JavaScript, like learn HTML and CSS, which are like actively used in your projects, and if you just go and learn like for the 1 week also, that is a plenty of time, okay. So but I will be creating some crash course very soon, and for stay tuned for that. And JavaScript code is executed by the web browsers such as Chrome or Google Chrome, which includes a JavaScript engine V8 to interpret and execute JavaScript code. Okay, guys. So JavaScript, this Chrome and this Chrome browser also have the JavaScript, like the JavaScript engine, which like interprets the code, and that we can see on the screen, right? So additionally, JavaScript can be executed server side. So I have told you, right? So there is the Node, Express, Nest.js. So that like I also do the backend development, like not a very professional, but for my own startup and for my own personal projects, I like deeply, like I highly use Express.js, and for that also stay tuned. I will be making that playlist or those projects after some time, and I will be creating some projects here also. And the opportunity with JavaScript. So JavaScript is widely used in tech industry, offering a plenty of career opportunity for skilled developers. So from full stack development to like is and so, and JavaScript is so much high in demands by the startups and the tech giants also. Okay, so why the startups? Okay, because like okay, if you go with the JavaScript development, like the Mon stack, I guess many of you had all the or the Mon stack. Mon stack is like very much highly preferable by the startups, because that keeps your like the startup on a fast pace. Okay, we can like execute the code, and we can see what we are building on a fast pace. So with the continuous growth of web technologies and increasing demand for interactive web experience, JavaScript skills are more valuable than ever. So I will be sharing something with you guys. So I thought like to give you kind of a project also for right now, but then also like I like just for today day, at the day one we will be just going through what is JavaScript, and from tomorrow we will be doing actually coding on the code editor. So from tomorrow we will learn what are the variables, like all those things, like each day. Okay. And if you just like I just told you, right, there is the engine in the Chrome that interprets the JavaScript language. So if you just go and guys, so hello world, so hello world has been printed on my screen. So that summarized the today video. So yeah guys, and subscribe and stay tuned for this channel. So uh and just at the end of this video, I just want to say something regarding, I really wanted to make the content on the YouTube and learn with you guys. And today I know my person was not so much great, but I started, okay. And I know by making each day video, my each day progress will be there. Each day there will be the improvement, and I can assure you, by the time we make the complex projects like the blog application to the e-commerce and all those projects, we will be actively learning and growing on this channel. So stay tuned for this channel for JavaScript tutorials and for this adventure. And yeah, subscribe to this channel if you want to see more content like this and to learn JavaScript, and comment down below if you are eager to learn JavaScript with me and with us. And that summarizes the video. So thank you everyone for for being on this video. And if you want to check out my live, so I will be coming live at the night. You can come to my live, and we can engage, we can learn there also. So thank you, stay safe, take care.